hello. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Good afternoon, Philippines, and good morning, good evening from other countries. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my live stream. You can drop and you can drop your link and connect to each other. You're all welcome, guys. And please subscribe my channel. Please put thumbs up the live stream. Okay, thank you so much. Mega love shout out to Lalo Speaks and Review, and of course to all my friends here and to all my legit friends, my Sephardi friends from other countries, and of course from Philippines. Ayan, maayong hapon. Ayan, hapon na sa inyong lahat dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Ayan, sobrang init po. Ayan, kaya ayan, nakatago na ako. Hindi na ako nagpapakita. Pero parang hindi ko ma-open yung aking, video. Bakit ganun? Ba't di ko ma-open tong aking camera? Saan yun? Wait lang. Parang hindi ko ma-open yung camera ko. Where are you now? Bakit di ko ma-open yung camera ko? Bakit? Saan yan? Bakit nagkaganito?